Assalamu alaikum, it's me Adam Mursi, and now you are watching the first lesson of the Arabic listening course. This course for anyone who already know the Arabic, know a lot of words, a lot of sentences, and he learned Arabic for a while, but he has a problem. The problem is when he hears something in Arabic he didn't understand very well, and he want to hear it one more time, or he want to hear it slowly so he can understand. This course for you. This course is based on the book of Arabiya Nabiya plan. So we are using this plan and we are improve it. This course started from listening from small words to small sentence to big sentence to dialects. So you can hear it very well, clearly, and you are understand everything. This course is based on interactive learning. It is like live course. So please, I will play the audio 2 times. First time without any answer of the exercise based on the listening. Second time with answer. So I will give you small time so you can answer. But please don't jump and just watch the video like this to watch the answer of the exercises. That's not work, and that's not will make your listening more strong. It's okay to watch maximum 2 videos per day. More than this, it's not recommended. If you don't know who am I, who is the teacher, I will leave the link in the description. Who am I the video. Please follow the instructions, and it's a promise that your listening it will be more strong and you will listen very well. After finishing this course, your listening it will be in another way. Your listening it will be another strong. Let's start. Bismillah.